Don't that mean they're like content with the?
Yeah, it's our buddy. Look at this. The cat followed us. This was a long walk, and he followed us the whole way and then came into the room. Oh my God, how special. Aww. Hi, buddy. Oh, this is amazing. All right, what are we going to name him?
Marley.
Marley. Oh my God. Oh, look at the baby. Yes. Oh, yes. Don't go. Okay, he's doing the Graci. Is he doing the Graci? Is he going to throw himself down on the floor and flip there? Oh, almost doing it. You gotta go all the way over there. Hi, buddy. You giving yourself a nail job? Oh, it feels good, huh? It feels good. Oh, now you gotta rub against it. Oh, nice. Get that itch. Get that itch. We're staying in the 4th room over there. Boo boo. Hi. What you doing? He's going to sit right here and say, oh, where's Danny? Hi, bye-bye. Hi.